Welcome back, travel buddies. I'm Sara, and today we're going to see Valencia, Spain. And we won't spend a lot of money. Think amazing buildings, really green parks, and lively markets, and guess what? It's all free €0. Valencia is great for everyone, if you like to spend a lot or if you like to save money. If you love finding out about amazing places and travel ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Grab your pretend sangria, and let's jump into 8 free things you just have to see in Valencia. Let's go! Our first stop on this incredible journey, Valencia's spectacular city of arts and sciences. Prepare to be amazed. This place looks like it's been plucked straight out of a science fiction movie, a true vision of the future. It wasn't just built, it was conceived and brought to life by some truly famous and visionary architects. The shapes and forms of these buildings look like they've traveled here from the distant future, defying expectations at every turn. And the gleaming, shiny white buildings are simply breathtaking. They catch the light in the most incredible ways. And the absolute best thing about this architectural marvel? You can wander and explore all around the outside of this futuristic complex completely free of charge. You can spend hours just gazing at the incredibly cool and innovative buildings and admiring the beautifully sparkly pools of water that reflect the sky. Everywhere you turn, every angle you find is a fantastic spot to capture the perfect photo. You'll encounter structures that resemble giant, watchful eyes, the skeletal remains of massive whales, and impossibly tall bridges that seem to defy gravity. Local families from Valencia come here to enjoy picnics, children run and play freely, and everyone simply soaks up and enjoys the unique and inspiring atmosphere of this place. You don't even necessarily have to venture inside the museums themselves. The outdoor areas and surrounding landscape offer the best show in town. It's an especially magical experience when the sun begins to set and the futuristic buildings gradually start to illuminate and glow with an otherworldly light. The beautifully designed gardens and the shimmering pools and elegant fountains all combine to make this a truly wonderful place to relax and chill out. So be sure to pack a snack to keep you going, grab your camera to capture the memories, and dedicate a leisurely afternoon to simply walking around and exploring this absolutely amazing and thoroughly modern place. It truly showcases just how incredibly creative and imaginative people can be. And the best part is that experiencing all of this doesn't cost you a single penny. This is modern Valencia presented at its absolute finest, a true architectural masterpiece, and it's an absolute must-see destination for everyone who has the opportunity to visit this vibrant city. Trust me on this one. You'll find yourself saying, wow, practically all day long as you explore this incredible place. Next up, let's go to Turia Gardens. This unique space offers a refreshing escape right in the heart of the city. It's a super long green park, a ribbon of nature winding through the urban landscape, 9 kilometers long, stretching from one end of Valencia to the other, offering a continuous path for exploration and recreation. And guess what? It used to be a river, a vital waterway that shaped the city's history. After a really big flood, a devastating event that prompted a significant change in the city's infrastructure, Valencia changed the old river bottom into this beautiful green park, a testament to the city's resilience and innovative urban planning. It's like a long, green ribbon that winds through the city, connecting different neighborhoods and landmarks. And it's totally free to enjoy. A public space accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. You can walk, taking a leisurely stroll and enjoying the scenery. Jog, getting your daily exercise in a beautiful and inspiring environment. Ride your bike, exploring the park's extensive network of bike paths. Or just chill out under the orange trees and palm trees, finding a shady spot to relax and unwind. You can find rose gardens filled with fragrant and colorful blooms. Fun and different playgrounds like Gulliver Park, a unique and imaginative play area for children of all ages. And quiet spots for a picnic. Perfect for enjoying a meal outdoors with family and friends. The park is full of local people doing yoga, embracing a healthy and active lifestyle. Playing music, filling the air with joyful melodies, making art, expressing their creativity in the open air, and just laughing and having a good time. Creating memories and enjoying the company of others. It's never too full, even on the busiest days. There's always room to breathe. so you'll always find your own quiet spot, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. You can even use it as a pretty way to walk from one tourist spot to another, connecting the city's attractions with a scenic and enjoyable route. There are so many different kinds of plants and trees, a diverse ecosystem thriving in the heart of the city. It's amazing for anyone who loves nature. A green oasis offering a respite from the urban environment. So if you want to run, get your heart pumping, and enjoy the fresh air, take a nice walk and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Or just have a quiet moment to reflect and recharge. Turia Gardens is the perfect place. A destination that caters to all interests and needs. It's like the green heart of Valencia, the city's central park, providing a vital green space for residents and visitors alike. It shows how strong the city is in its ability to adapt and transform challenges into opportunities, and how people there stick together. A testament to the community spirit and resilience of Valencia. Don't miss it. Make sure to include Turia Gardens in your Valencia itinerary. You'll be happy you went, and you'll leave with unforgettable memories. And your wallet will be too. Enjoying a world-class attraction without spending a dime. If you love food, you can't miss the Central Market, Mercado Central. Even if you don't buy a thing, just being there is an adventure for your eyes, your nose, and your ears. It's inside a really beautiful old-style building, and the market itself is like a palace full of food. Look up at the amazing dome, the colorful stained glass, and all the fancy metal designs. Walk down the rows and just look at all the bright and colorful fruits, veggies, olives, and seafood. The smell of spices and fresh fruits and veggies is everywhere. Watch people from Valencia shop and the sellers chat. It's like seeing a little piece of everyday life in Valencia. You can learn a lot about the local food just by watching what's going on. The market is like a live museum of food and the way people live here. Take pictures of all the colorful foods in the busy, happy place. And even if you don't spend any money, you'll leave having seen, smelled, and heard so many cool things. The Central Market is like the main spot for Valencia's food. Go feel its energy. It's something you won't forget, and it's free. If you love history, let's walk around Valencia's old town, Ciutat Vella. Get lost in the small, tight streets, sunny squares, and buildings that are hundreds of years old. Plaza de la Virgen is a place you have to see. It has the basilica and the cathedral, with the Turia fountain in the middle. Sit on the steps, enjoy the sun, and watch people go by. You can see really old doors, balconies full of flowers, and old parts of the city walls, like the Torres de Serranos. Around every corner, you'll find something new, secret squares, busy streets, and nice little shops. The area called Barrio del Carmen is known for its arty and cool feeling and its street art. Don't worry if you get lost, that's part of the fun. All you need are comfy shoes and to be excited to see new things. The old town is like a museum outside. You can walk around and see things as fast or as slow as you like. It's a free trip through Valencia's long and interesting history. Ready for some sun in the sea? Let's go to Malvarosa Beach. This big, wide beach with golden sand is perfect for relaxing or taking a long walk by the Mediterranean Sea. It's easy to get there from the middle of the city. Put down your towel, enjoy the sun, or take a walk along the path by the beach that's lined with palm trees. Watch families play, friends talk, and the waves come in. The sunsets here are really beautiful. Make sure you see one. Pack a picnic, bring a book, or build a sandcastle. There are public showers and bathrooms, which makes it easy to spend the day there. You can join a game of beach volleyball, or just enjoy the easy, fun things in life. Malvarosa is a beautiful, free way to enjoy the nature around Valencia. Sunshine, fresh air, and the sea. What more could you ask for? Back in the old town, where history whispers from every corner, let's make our way to the heart of it all and enjoy the Valencia Cathedral, a true architectural marvel. It's officially called Cathedral de Santa Maria, a name that resonates with centuries of stories. There's a fee if you want to explore inside, to wander through its hallowed halls, but honestly, the outside is just breathtaking, a feast for the eyes, and the best part? Admiring its grandeur from the outside is completely free. Find a spot in Plaza de la Reina, bustling with life and energy, or perhaps the more serene Plaza de la Virgen, each offering a unique perspective. Take your time to gaze upon the old, incredibly fancy fronts of the building, each a testament to a different era. And don't miss the really tall bell tower reaching for the sky, affectionately called El Miguelete by the locals. Each side of the cathedral whispers a different story, a unique chapter in its long history, mixing together building styles that span hundreds of years. A true blend of artistry and time. Walk all around it, let your feet guide you, and truly appreciate how well it was built, the craftsmanship that has endured for centuries. Take a moment to read and learn about its rich and fascinating history, the events it has witnessed. The whole area is incredibly lively, buzzing with activity. You're almost guaranteed to see talented street performers, adding to the vibrant atmosphere, artists capturing the beauty on canvas, and local people simply enjoying the squares, soaking in the Valencian sun. Keep an eye out for the gargoyles, perched high above, statues of saints and other figures, and old writings etched in stone. Every little thing has a story to tell if you just take the time to look. The cathedral looks absolutely stunning, almost glowing in the warm sunlight, and it takes on a completely different, almost magical appearance when illuminated at night. It's a perfect place for capturing memorable photos, a true Instagram hotspot. No matter where you stand, every angle offers a unique and beautiful perspective. You can really feel how incredibly big and beautiful, how imposing and majestic, and how undeniably old the cathedral is, just from admiring it from the outside. It's a very important part of what Valencia is all about, a symbol of the city's history and culture. And the best thing is, everyone can look at it and appreciate its beauty for free. Sometimes the most rewarding and unforgettable things to see are right there in front of you, waiting to be discovered. If you love art, you have to see the street art in El Carmen. This old neighborhood is like an art gallery outside, with big paintings on walls and other cool art all over the place. Walk through the streets that twist and turn, and you'll find art on every corner. Each piece has its own story. The art is always changing, so every time you visit, it's special and different. You'll see all kinds of art. Some looks just like a photo, some is more about shapes and colors, some is fun, and some makes you think. Don't just stay on the main streets. Go down the small, secret streets to find cool surprises. All this art gives El Carmen a really lively and arty feeling. Bring your camera and just enjoy looking at all the creative things. In Valencia, the city itself is like a giant painting, and looking at it is all free. And last but not least, feel Valencia's fun party spirit at all the free events they have for everyone. From colorful parades to concerts outside, there's always something going on. Check what local papers or websites say, or just ask people to find a festival or something special about their way of life. Las Fallas in March is super famous. There are giant statues, fireworks, and parades everywhere in the streets. Even when there isn't a big festival, you can find concerts, markets, and fun street performers. These fun things that just happen are a really big part of how people live here. Join in the fun, hang out with people who live there, and make memories you'll never forget. In Valencia, the best things to do are often free and full of happiness. And that's our quick tour of all the amazing free things to do in Valencia. From buildings that look like they're from the future to old streets, from lively markets to sunny beaches, Valencia shows you that you don't need lots of money to have a magical time. If you loved this adventure, hit subscribe for more travel ideas and guides. Thanks for coming with me, Sara, on this trip. Keep exploring and keep dreaming. Bye for now. See you on the next adventure with TravelPartner Official.